Last year, I recorded a video about the Dead Poets Society and how it changed my life, how it brought me back to myself. And I never posted it because, of course, there's always something wrong. I was talking too fast, too slow. I didn't know where to look, whatever. I didn't post it, but things have changed. And I was thinking about it because I'm in a pretty stressful period of my life, but I still find myself crying happy tears every now and then. And I have been racking my brain because why am I crying happy tears? How is it possible? How am I so resilient that with all the stress going on in my life, I can still feel so much joy and gratitude and see so much beauty? The reason why I'm crying happy tears is because I have been curating my life for the past years. Since I'm in a stressful period with work, I thought I need some more hobbies. So I'm gonna be documenting my life, all the beauty, all the inspiration I see. We are in a heat wave. It is freaking hot, but I had the perfect day. I got some new books, so I wanted to talk about them. Last week I read Yesteryear, and now my partner started reading it. Really enjoyed it. I really flew through it. I didn't want to stop reading. Now I'm reading something a little bit more serious. I'm reading Audre Lorde, Your Silence Will Not Protect You. I've been wanting to dive into Audre Lorde's work for a while. I haven't read that much because we walked a lot today, so I haven't read that much. But only in the introduction already, I cried like 3 times. I don't know what it is, but her energy, Audre Lorde's energy, it really does something to me. I don't know, she really inspires me to talk more and to speak about things that I think we need change in. And so I'm very excited to read this. I think this is going to change my life. I think I might be able to finish Audre Lorde this weekend. And then I got some new books for the new week. I bought Lost Lambs. I've been seeing this on social media a lot. I have no clue what it's about. I've only read the back. This is called Flick, and I grabbed it from the shelf because this looks like The Birth of Venus. The Birth of Venus is my favorite painting ever. I just want to go to Florence all the time to visit the Uffizi to see The Birth of Venus. It's my favorite thing. And this book is about female pleasure. If you know my brand, you know that I'm all for... Oh my god, I didn't see to who this was dedicated, but now I see it. It says, "For all the men who didn't make me come." I always get banned from social media. I always get shadow banned. My account recently got deleted because I talk about female pleasure. You know, as a woman, you were meant to live an incredibly pleasurable life, and we have been so fooled to think that that is not true. So I'm excited to dive into this. Now I'm gonna make a cup of ceremonial cacao and take a class on decolonizing cacao, which should be very interesting. Let me know in the comments if you've read any of these books, if you've read anything by Audre Lorde. I would be so happy to have a conversation about these books, about these writers. So let me know.
It really does.
It's Mary Oliver. And how much honey can the heart stand, I wonder, before it must break?